Imagine a tank, not the lumbering behemoths you see rolling through dusty plains, but a lean, agile predator built for the treacherous heights of the Himalayas. A tank that can be airlifted by transport aircraft, strike with deadly precision, and vanish as quickly as it arrived. This, my friends, is the Indian light tank Zorawar, and its successful first phase of developmental field firing trials marks a turning point in India's quest for self-reliance in defense technology. But is the Zorawar just a dream machine, or is it poised to become a reality that will reshape mountain warfare in the region? Let's delve into the details and find out. For decades, India's mountainous borders have been a concern, particularly with the ongoing military standoff with China. Traditional heavy tanks struggle in such terrain, making them vulnerable targets. Enter the Zorawar, a lightweight, 25 tons, marvel designed for rapid deployment and high mobility in high-altitude areas like Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. This isn't just about bragging rights, it's about giving the Indian Army a tactical edge in a region where every inch counts. The trials conducted in desert terrain might seem counterintuitive, but they tested the Zorawar's overall performance and firing accuracy. Imagine a tank traversing treacherous mountain passes with ease, then unleashing a devastating barrage on enemy positions with pinpoint precision. That's the potential of the Zorawar. Additionally, learning from the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, DRDO and LNT have incorporated cutting-edge technology like unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, and loitering munitions into the Zorawar's arsenal. Imagine a tank sending out robotic scouts and deploying self-destructing drones, a glimpse into the future of warfare on the highest battlefields. The Zorawar isn't just a technological marvel, it's a testament to India's growing self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Developed by the Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment, CVRDE, in collaboration with Larsen Toubro, LNT, the project involved numerous micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs. This not only strengthens India's domestic defense ecosystem but also creates opportunities and jobs within the country. While the first phase is a significant milestone, the Zorawar's journey is far from over. Over the next 2 to 3 years, it will face a series of grueling summer and winter trials, pushing its capabilities to the limit. This will ensure the tank can withstand the unforgiving realities of high-altitude warfare. Once these trials are successfully completed, the acquisition, production, and full-scale induction into the Indian Army can begin. The Zorawar's estimated cost sits at a cool 17,500 Indian rupees crore, with an initial deployment of 59 tanks planned. But the true cost, some might argue, lies in the strategic advantage it offers. With its maneuverability, firepower, and cutting-edge technology, the Zorawar could fundamentally alter the balance of power in the Himalayas. So, will the Zorawar become a mountain-dominating reality? The answer lies in the upcoming trials and the Indian government's commitment to this ambitious project. One thing's for sure, the Zorawar's success would be a game-changer, not just for India's defense capabilities, but also for the future of mountain warfare itself.